Ferrari's first all-electric SUV, the Elettrica, is here, and it's pure Italian flair. With a powerful battery pack and Ferrari's signature handling, the Elettrica balances raw power with everyday usability. Inside, you get luxury materials, sporty seats, and enough space for the family. Instant torque delivers blistering acceleration, while advanced tech keeps you connected and safe. The Elettrica's range and fast-charging tech make long trips easy. It's a bold step for Ferrari. Performance, luxury, and zero emissions in one iconic package. The electric future just got a lot more exciting. Bentley's 2026 Urban is redefining luxury EVs. With 805 kilometers of range, it's built for long journeys in absolute comfort. Step inside for plush seating, handcrafted materials, and an ultra-quiet cabin. Advanced safety features and a seamless infotainment system make every drive effortless. The Urban's exterior is modern yet unmistakably Bentley, turning heads without shouting. This is luxury and electric performance, perfectly balanced. The Bentley Urban proves you don't have to compromise. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 blends practicality with futuristic style. With 610 kilometers of range, it's ready for anything. Road trips, commutes, or family outings. Sleek, aerodynamic design boosts efficiency and turns heads. Inside, you'll find a spacious, premium-feeling cabin and user-friendly tech. Fast charging and smart battery management keep you moving. Responsive handling makes it fun to drive, not just practical. For real-world usability with flair, the Ioniq 6 stands out in 2026. Meet the Kia EV6, versatile, bold, and ready for anything. With 500 kilometers of range and a flexible athletic design, it fits every lifestyle. The interior is loaded with advanced driver assistance features and intuitive tech. Ultra-fast charging gets you back on the road in under 20 minutes. The EV6 balances comfort and sportiness, making every drive enjoyable. It's practical, smart, and fun, perfect for 2026. Whether you're hauling gear or just commuting, the EV6 adapts to you. Kia's EV6 is tough to beat for anyone wanting a smart, capable EV. The Volvo EX60 is all about safety and efficiency. With 480 kilometers of range and Volvo's legendary safety tech, it's built for peace of mind. Collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, and predictive hazard systems come standard. The minimalist, eco-friendly interior is comfortable and easy to use. Regenerative braking and optimized battery life mean more time driving, less time charging. The EX60 is composed and confident on the road, perfect for families. If safety tops your list, the X60 is the EV to watch. Volvo proves you don't have to sacrifice style or comfort for security. Meet the Rivian R2, the electric pickup truck engineered for those who crave real adventure and demand more from their vehicles. Whether you're heading deep into the wilderness or just exploring the open road, the R2 is designed to take you further, with confidence and style. It's not just a truck, it's your ticket to new experiences, wherever your journey leads. With an impressive 480 kilometers of range on a single charge, the Rivian R2 lets you venture off the beaten path without worrying about running out of power. Its advanced all-wheel drive system and serious off-road capability mean you can tackle dirt trails, rocky landscapes, and steep inclines with ease. No matter the terrain, the R2 is ready for anything you throw at it, making it the perfect companion for both weekend warriors and everyday explorers. The R2's rugged design isn't just for show, it's built to handle tough conditions while keeping your gear safe and organized. The innovative gear tunnel provides extra space for everything from camping equipment to sports gear, while lockable storage compartments ensure your valuables stay secure, whether you're at a job site or a remote campsite. This is a truck that's as practical as it is adventurous, seamlessly blending work and play. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both functional and comfortable. The R2 features smart storage solutions throughout the interior, so there's a place for everything you need on the road. The digital dashboard puts all your essential information at your fingertips, while premium materials and thoughtful design touches create a welcoming space for driver and passengers alike. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the R2's interior is built for comfort and convenience. Thanks to its adaptive suspension system and multiple drive modes, the Rivian R2 can handle just about any terrain you encounter. Switch between modes to optimize performance for mud, sand, snow, or pavement, and enjoy a smooth, controlled ride no matter where you go. The R2's technology adapts to your environment, giving you the confidence to explore new places and push your limits. Long road trips are easier than ever, thanks to fast charging capabilities and an expanding network of charging stations. Whether you're charging up at a remote outpost or a highway fast charger, the R2 keeps you moving with minimal downtime. Planning your next big adventure is simple, knowing that reliable charging is always within reach. The Rivian R2 isn't just about getting you to your destination, it's about bringing everything you need along for the ride. With impressive towing capacity and plenty of room for outdoor gear, it's built for those who work hard and play even harder. Whether you're hauling equipment for a big project or packing up for a weekend of adventure, the R2 is ready to handle it all. As Rivian prepares to launch the R2 in 2026, it's clear this electric pickup is set to redefine what's possible in the world of trucks. With its blend of innovation, capability, and style, the R2 is the EV pickup to watch, and the perfect choice for anyone ready to embrace the future of adventure. The Porsche Macan EV redefines what it means to drive an electric SUV, blending the legendary performance and unmistakable prestige of the Porsche brand with cutting-edge electric technology. From the moment you lay eyes on its sculpted exterior, you know this is no ordinary vehicle. The Macan EV stands out in any urban environment, exuding confidence and sophistication, whether parked curbside or gliding through city streets. With an impressive 500 kilometers of range on a single charge, the Macan EV is engineered for both daily commutes and long-distance adventures. Porsche's signature driving dynamics are present in every detail, from the precise steering to the responsive throttle. The advanced electric powertrain delivers seamless acceleration, making every journey feel exhilarating, while the intuitive dashboard keeps you informed and in control. Experience instant acceleration as the Macan EV surges forward with a whisper-quiet rush, hugging winding roads with sharp, agile handling. Inside, the luxurious cockpit is meticulously crafted for the driver, featuring premium materials, advanced digital displays, and ergonomic controls. Every element is designed to immerse you in comfort and sophistication, making even the longest drives a pleasure. Safety is paramount, with a suite of advanced features including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and collision avoidance systems. The digital dashboard provides real-time feedback, ensuring you're always aware of your surroundings. Whether navigating busy city traffic or cruising on the open highway, the Macan EV keeps you and your passengers secure and confident. Convenience is at your fingertips with ultra-fast charging capabilities, allowing you to recharge quickly and get back on the road. Over-the-air software updates mean your Macan EV is always equipped with the latest features and improvements, keeping you ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving world of electric mobility. The Macan EV isn't just about efficiency, it's about excitement. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or making an entrance at a luxury automotive event, this SUV proves that electric cars can deliver both thrilling performance and premium comfort. It's a true driver's car, designed for those who demand more from their vehicle. For those who seek the heritage and pedigree of Porsche, but also want to embrace a cleaner, greener future, the Macan EV is the perfect choice. Its zero-emissions powertrain means you can enjoy the exhilaration of driving without compromise, all while making a positive impact on the environment. The future of automotive performance is electric, and with the Porsche Macan EV, that future has arrived. It leads the way into a new era, where innovation, luxury, and sustainability come together in one extraordinary SUV. That's a look at the most exciting electric cars of 2026. From supercars to pickups, these EVs push the limits of range, tech, and design. 2026 is a milestone year. Electric vehicles are truly taking over. Let me know which model you're most excited about, and I'll see you in the next one.